Welcome back. Time now for a business review. In the age of social media, capturing the perfect moment has become more than just a hobby. It's an art form. And as with many art forms, the tools and techniques involved are constantly evolving. One local company, Moodz Kulcha House, is at the forefront of this evolution, bringing a unique approach to the world of photography.
The concept of photo studios has evolved over the years, and Moodz Kulcha House has captured the essence of an old tradition with a new age flair.
Gone are the days when photo studios are limited to basic backgrounds and props.
Everybody takes pictures these days. If they're taking a shower, eating a meal, visiting a new place, you must know about it. You must see it, and they want to share it. And so we thought, why not create a space that allows you to immerse yourself into modern art and the culture of Jamaica, and then share that. That way, we fill two gaps. We're able to facilitate family life, just getting together with your friends, and sell brand Jamaica in and of itself.
Owner of the company, Monique Walcott, shared the idea behind the available scenes.
Moodz is the different rooms and the experiences that you have in the rooms. The culture combines our music, our signature drink, and we have rooms that are in the pipeline that will showcase a lot of our culture.
So what about the cost to fuel such an idea?
What we projected would have been the initial cost. We exceeded that budget by almost 50% more than what we budgeted. Because again, the inflation, the availability of the products and items needed to execute, and again, just build out. Simple raw material, we had to wait. So one of our things that we're big on is, again, and I keep using the word experience. It's all about experience and our customer service from start to end. One, we bring you into a space that is affordable, that's creative. With your entry, you're getting 2 signature cocktails, so basically you're entering for free.
And how much will it cost to have an immersive experience?
So the rooms, depending on the sizes, may run you anywhere from 250,000 Jamaican to probably about 320, again, depending on what you're doing in there. And we do roof to floor.
The structure currently has 8 functional rooms, with 2 rooms to be completed in the near future. She says the additional rooms will also present an opportunity for local talent to present their individual ideas. From local to international backdrops,
The company is keen on expansion and has plans to evolve with the changing tides of the photo industry. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.